Surviving on an income requires careful financial planning and budgeting. Given your base pay of $28 an hour, working 7 nights a week in a 12-hour shift with overtime after 40 hours, here are some tips to help you manage your income effectively. Create a budget. Develop a detailed budget that outlines your income and expenses. Track your spending to understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. Live below your means. Try to live within your means and avoid unnecessary expenses. Focus on essentials such as housing, food, utilities, transportation, and healthcare. Save and invest. Allocate a portion of your income to savings and investments. Even if it's a small amount, regular saving can add up over time and provide a safety net for emergencies. Utilize overtime wisely. While overtime can boost your income, avoid relying on it as a permanent solution to financial challenges. Use overtime earnings to pay off debts, build savings, or invest in your future. Avoid high-interest debt. If you have debts, prioritize paying off high-interest debts first. High-interest debt can quickly accumulate and become a financial burden. Consider a side gig. If your schedule permits, explore opportunities for a side job or freelance work to supplement your income further. Many online platforms offer flexible work arrangements. Minimize discretionary spending. Evaluate your discretionary spending on non-essential items and entertainment. Look for ways to cut costs and prioritize your needs over wants. Take advantage of employee benefits. If your employer offers benefits such as health insurance, retirement plans, or flexible spending accounts, make sure to utilize them effectively to save money. Stay informed about financial resources. Stay updated on any financial assistance or support programs available in your area. This could include housing assistance, food programs, or education opportunities. Build an emergency fund. Aim to build an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Invest in skills and education. Consider investing in your skills and education to increase your earning potential in the long term. Seek professional financial advice. If you find it challenging to manage your finances or plan for the future, consider seeking advice from a financial advisor.